What's up, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. As you guys read on the title of this video, I just wanted to go over the number one ETF that I'm looking to trade in the first week of July in 2018. So for those of you guys that are new to my channel, my name is Stas and I make videos dealing with stock market investing, swing trading, day trading, long-term investing, and my personal strategies and philosophies dealing with the stock market and pretty much just documenting my entire journey, investing and trading in the stock market. So for those of you guys that are interested in that, feel free to come over here and subscribe. I have a very rapid growing YouTube channel right now. In June itself, I gained 80 subscribers, which is about a 20% growth. And you can see that my channel is only at 433 subscribers. So I'm currently still a small channel, but 80 subscribers in 1 month was tremendous growth for me. So if you guys want to just join, my community, my journey in the stock market, feel free to come over here and subscribe. I would love to have you guys on this channel, in this community. And let's just get started with the topic of this video. So the number one ETF that I'm looking to trade for this upcoming week is UGAZ, ticker symbol UGAZ. And for those of you guys that have been watching my channel for a while, you know that I love trading DGAZ and UGAZ. And I actually made a video yesterday talking about how I made $200 profit this past week on a 2-day swing trade with DGAZ, right? DGAZ is the bear ETF for those of you guys that don't know, and UGAZ is the bull ETF. And these two ETFs, they trade based upon natural gas /NG right here. This is a commodity. And, these two ETFs, they trade based upon this commodity. And pretty much whenever natural gas is going up in price, right, UGAZ is going up in price. But whenever it's going down in price, like it did this past week, DGAZ is going up in price. And that's pretty much how I profited on DGAZ, right? Because I traded, the natural gas downward motion from about $3 to about $2.91, right? That's what I did in terms of trading DGAZ this past week. But now I'm shifting my focus over to UGAZ because we can see here, guys, clearly, like I mentioned in the previous video, natural gas is reaching that $2.90 support level. We can see here, guys, clearly there's a clear support level at about $2.90 on natural gas, right? And a clear resistance level at about $3. We see it's done this particular 10-cent pattern, multiple times. We see it's done it here once, right, from $2.90 up to $3. Here again, right? Here again, here it pretty much just consolidated at $2.91, shot up to about $3.05. Here at about $2.90, back up to about $3, and pretty much here at $2.90 again, back up to $2.99. So pretty much natural gas has been on an ascending uptrend pattern over time, and it's been on a predictable pattern over the past month and a half to 2 months, as we see here, pretty much starting off in the beginning of May up until right now, pretty much July 1st. It's been doing this $2.90 to about $3 pattern, over the past 2 months. And that's why I think natural gas and trading the natural gas ETFs has been pretty much consistent, guys. And that's what I look for in stocks and ETFs that I like to trade. I like to see consistent patterns and ones that I'm able to understand. And this one's a very, simple pattern, and pretty much it's easy to understand. And that's why I like trading the natural gas ETFs. And right now, guys, we can see that already natural gas, it seems to be consolidating at about $2 to $2.91. It seems like it's starting to push up right now. We see that it started to consolidate here, but now it's starting to push up at about $2.91. And that's a very good sign in terms of UGAZ. And I've yet to take a position in UGAZ because I do see potential. I do see natural gas maybe falling to about $2.88, which means a better entry level for UGAZ. Because again, if natural gas is going down in price like it has been, UGAZ is also going down in price. So if we look a little bit further on this, on this UGAZ chart, we see just like natural gas, because it pretty much follows the same pattern as natural gas, we see that UGAZ is a very common support level as well as a very common resistance level. And it's been uptrending over the past couple of months as it's creating higher highs and pretty much riding above this 180-day SMA line, as we can see on this longer term chart. And it's pretty much been trending above the EMA line, as the EMA line is acting as a support level. And that means that, this ETF is on an uptrending pattern. And that's what we're looking at pretty much with UGAZ, as it's actually already starting to consolidate on this 180-day SMA line. And if we look a little bit closer here, guys, we do see that it's bounced on top of the SMA line already 3 times in the past couple of weeks, right? We see one time here, twice here, and now it's looking to do it again as it's starting to consolidate at this particular $64 price point. But like I said before, guys, I do see, potential of UGAZ falling down to about $63 to about $62.50 as it has in the past, and that is where I'm looking to actually take my position, because like I said, guys, I'm not currently invested in UGAZ, but I'm looking to take a position Monday morning, as the market opens and as more opportunities, in UGAZ and natural gas start to open. And if we look a little bit closer in terms of how much potential that UGAZ has to offer, right? If we look at from $64.50 where it's at right now, let's say if we got in at about $65, let's say we actually got in at about $65. After it's confirmed, it's bounced on that 180-day SMA line up to about previous resistance levels at about $70, let's say. That offers a nice 8% trade, and if it does end up pushing higher like it did this previous time here at about $71, and a couple weeks ago here at about $72, that is about an 11% potential for profit from about $65. So pretty much overall, guys, UGAZ is offering 8 to 10% potential for profit. And if we do look over here at the RSI level, it's looking more towards the oversold territory. If you guys aren't familiar with the RSI, it's the relative strength index. And pretty much how this works, guys, we see that there's a range here from about 30 to 70, and pretty much whenever these lines are approaching the 30 level, that means that the ETF is completely oversold. So that means that that could be a good buying opportunity. It's not always a good buying opportunity, but if the relative strength index is showing that it's closer to 30, that could be a better opportunity to get in. But again, it's not always the case. And if it's up here at about 70, that means it's completely overbought. So that is what I'm doing in terms of this week, guys. Obviously, UGAZ is not the only ETF that I'm going to invest in this week. I still have my eyes on a couple of others, but UGAZ is the most appealing right now because it does look to be at a very good buy point. But I'm still keeping my eyes on LABU and LABD. I'm keeping my eyes on USLV as well. But I just wanted to quickly cover the number one stock or ETF that I'm looking at for this upcoming week, which is the most appealing one in my personal opinion. And I'll be covering more videos throughout this week on other trades that I do take, as opportunities start to open, as the market opens and, opportunities come about. But for now, guys, I'm just pretty much looking at UGAZ for this upcoming week, and that is just what I wanted to update you guys with on this Sunday night on this video. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. So if you enjoyed it, feel free to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. If you guys want to follow me on my Instagram, the link is down below in my description. @StriveSmart is my username. I pretty much post all my profits there, trades I'm taking throughout the day, things about my channel, updates, personal life, and just random stuff I'm doing throughout the day. So if you guys want to follow me on there and follow my journey on Instagram, again, the link is down below in my description, and I would love to have you guys there as well. Make sure to do your own research when it comes down to investing and trading in the stock market. You do not want to buy or sell any stocks or ETFs based off of another person's opinion, because that is not how you're going to become successful in this particular market over time, because that's the whole goal of this channel. That's my goal, as an investor, as a trader, is to be able to do all of these different things on my own and, and not feed off of somebody else, because that is not how you want to live your life, guys. You want to be able to become self-sufficient and become successful on your own over time. So that's what I'm going to be doing for this upcoming week. Hope you guys found some value in this video. Let's make some money today. Peace.